take it to you. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take it out with me.
I have a new wig from LuvMe hair, and I'm gonna show you guys today. This unit is kind of a bob and it's kind of curly, so something different, something new, cute for the fall, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Their packaging is super cute. Let me go get the box. So this is the box here. You can see it has this cute little shiny material. It's super cute, and it came with a little bag of goodies. This is a little goodie bag. It has like an edge brush, the wrap for your edges, and a few other things, I don't know. But yeah, but let's get into the hair. That's what you guys are here for, so let me hurry up and show you. This is the unit here, the bob. It's really cute, and the hair feels very quality. I love working with LuvMe hair. The hair always feels really good, so I'm looking forward to styling this one. But let me show you guys the lace before I do anything to it. Okay, there's the lace. It looks pretty good to me too. So this wig is looking very nice, very nice. You see, so I am gonna do some plucking. Of course, I'm gonna shampoo this unit, bleach the knots, and then just kind of give it a little customization. But before that, let me show you how this wig looks on the inside as well. So we have two clips here and a clip here. I know a lot of people don't like the combs in the wig, but I love the combs because I always do a glueless install, and the combs always make the wig feel more secure to me. So, and then we also have this strap right here, elastic strap. So that's gonna help me as well with doing a glueless install. So the hair is just very, very quality. That's the first thing that's coming to my mind. I don't know how these curls are gonna look after I shampoo it, because it does look kind of like the curls right now don't look really natural, so I don't know how that's gonna come out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to shampooing, and I will see you guys in a second.
Let me tell you about this girl. maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't know. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.